that. We don't want to have it. We don't think this is a good time. This is exactly the time. We need to be talking to Russia, to Iran, to all of the U.S. allies that are supporting the other side to force the various parties to peace talks. There is no military solution. This is what Congresswoman Barbara Lee said yesterday, and it's absolutely true. There is no military solution. Extra assaults from the United States is going to make the situation worse, is going to put Syrian civilians at greater risk, not provide protection.